Here's a great deal on a 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. It features a standard transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, front fog lights, skid plates, and much more. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.